Each year since 1964, the host of the Olympics has designed pictograms to help guide viewers and athletes to their sporting events. Each venue tries to include something that is unique to the host country in the design of their pictograms. These are the pictograms for the 2022 Beijing Olympics. At your table, you should find pictograms from the 2014 Olympics, the 2018 Olympics, and the 2022 Olympics. This year, the theme focuses on calligraphy brushstrokes to celebrate the Chinese New Year. Today, you'll be choosing a sport and then creating your own pictograms on blue paper. To begin, you'll need to make all of the parts for your body. Use a small circle for the head, and then you're going to use a ruler for the body, legs, and arms. I would suggest making the body about 2.5 inches. If I make a mark and go across, there's the body. And then for the arms and legs, I can divide this space in half. I might want those even a little smaller. So I'm going to use these two parts. You could also use a skinnier ruler. The top of my arm, the bottom of my arm, and then the top of my leg and the bottom of my leg. I have my pieces cut out, and then I can use the rest of my scraps to make whatever pieces I need to explain my sport. You might want to go back and look at the pictograms for some ideas of what sport you might make. I'm going to try the snowboarding big air, so my person will need to be upside down. So then you will arrange your pieces. Oops. Here we go. And then I'm going to cut out a snowboard. I have my person all in place. I looked at these two pictograms for some ideas, and then I made sure that it's balanced for the square. Don't forget to add some sort of detail, whether it's ski poles or ice skates or the curling stone, so that we know just what pictogram you're showing.